Hello everyone. In the previous video, we covered 4 roots of Durga Ma. In this video, using Warli art, we will cover the rest of the roots of Durga Ma. So this one over here is Skand Mata. She emerges from the tradition surrounding Kartikeya Skand, the ancient war of God. Her uniqueness is that she holds her child Skand in her arms, symbolizing strength through nurturing and love. Her importance is that she teaches compassion, guidance, and the power of maternal protection. Now we will write her name at the bottom as well over here in block letters. Next we have Katyayani. She is born from the combined energies of the gods to defeat the demon Mahishasur, historically connected to the female warrior tribes. She is fierce, bold, and unstoppable. Katyayani inspires courage, justice, and empowerment, especially among women. Next, after this, you write their name at the bottom here. And now we'll move on to the next Devi. The next form of Ma Durga is Kalratri. She is one of the most ancient forms predating Vedic traditions, rooted in tribal night goddess worship. Her fierce appearance destroys arrogance, fear, and negative forces. Her importance is that Kalratri protects devotees from darkness, guiding them towards inner light and truth. write her name at the bottom as well. And now we'll move ahead to the next Devi. Next over here we have Mahagauri. Her story reflects ancient purification rites, washing away past struggles to emerge renewed. Her uniqueness represents purity, calmness, and spiritual clarity. Her importance is that Mahagauri brings peace, healing, and emotional cleansing. Next form of Ma Durga is Siddhi. She is linked to early tantric, yogic, and mystical practices seeking siddhis, spiritual powers. She grants knowledge, blessings, and spiritual abilities. Her importance is that she completes the spiritual journey, guiding devotees towards fulfillment and wisdom. Once you're done with the sketch for this picture, at the end you add her name as well, just the way we did for all the other 8 forms of Ma Durga. once you're done with this, in the space in between these margins like this over here, you make mountains. I'm doing it freehand, but make sure if you are doing freehand as well, you have these of the same sizes. There should be proper space in between them. Intersection over here, you place a circle like this, and that's it. You continue with this thing. Do it all over the page on all the four sides and the lines that are in between the Durgas, dividing their forms. This border over here, the outer one. Make design like this. Again, make sure that you have equal spaces in between them. After this, add 3 similar lines under it. These will be smaller in size, of course, and the innermost will be filled with color like this. You will have to do the same thing all towards the end of this paper and then add these dots over here. Now repeat the step for all the 4 sides of this paper, creating a beautiful border for this exquisite Warli art. Once you reach the end of it where we have the corners, you add another shape like this here and the dot at the end, and that's it. We are done with our picture.